Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to get Adobe to read your PDFs aloud in 2025. Whether you're multitasking, dealing with long documents, or need accessibility help, this feature is a total lifesaver. It's super straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Acrobat Reader installed. It's free and easy to download from the Adobe website. If you don't have it yet, pause here and grab it quickly. Once you're set, open your PDF file in Adobe Reader. Now, let's dive into the steps. Head to the top menu and click on View. In the drop-down, look for Read Out Loud. That's your key to magic. Select Activate Read Out Loud from the options. You'll then see choices like reading the entire document or just the current page. Pick what works for you. As the text starts reading aloud, you'll notice it's highlighted on the screen, which makes it easier to follow along. You can control the playback too. Just go back to the Read Out Loud menu to pause, stop, or even adjust the reading speed for a faster or slower pace. One handy tip. If your PDF has images or complex layouts, make sure the text is selectable for the best results. Also, double-check your device's audio settings to avoid any glitches. There you have it, Adobe reading your PDFs in no time. This is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. Try it out on your next document and let me know in the comments how it helps you. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.